Hi, my name's Andrea and I'm Assistant Principal at a Catholic school in Queensland, Australia. Over the last 10 days I've brought a group of Year 11 and 12 students on immersion with Hands-on Development to Nepal. The purpose of our immersion was to open the hearts and minds of our students to countries and to people who are less fortunate than us. The experiences that they've had and what they've gained and how much they've been enlightened is just amazing. Throughout the journey they've participated in so many different activities and been immersed in the culture of Nepal. They've been led by Steph and her team to experience the way the country really is and to understand the poverty and I guess the problems that these people face. And I think unless you bring students to a place like this, they don't understand how good they have it at home. So my hope for them is that we've planted a seed that perhaps sometime in the future these students can go on to seek to work somehow in social justice, perhaps in their own communities or in other countries like Nepal. It's been an amazing experience, and if you ever get the opportunity to bring students, I highly recommend it. It's so well organised and we've had an amazing time.